Let us do combination sums when at least is present in the question. Donna has 2 necklaces, 8 rings and 4 bracelets. You came across information, write it down. 2 necklace, 8 rings and 4 bracelet. She chooses 4 pieces of jewelry. From all this, she needs to select 4. How many possible selections can she make if she chooses at least one necklace? At least one means one or more, and mathematically how do I represent is greater than or equal to 1? Okay. And at least one bracelet means one or more, mathematically I represent greater than or equal to 1. Clear? So your selection of 4 jewelry should satisfy these condition also. Okay. Now I get multiple options, so I will make a table in this way. See man, whatever number I write here, that should satisfy this condition. Whatever number I write here should satisfy this condition, and I write some number here, and the sum of these 3 numbers should be 4. Clear? Like that, how many such set of numbers do you get? These numbers should satisfy this condition, and the count after adding should be 4. Clear? So let us start. Here he said at least 1, so let us start with 1. Here no condition, so I will fill this number at last. Here at least 1, so I will put 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, so here it has to be 2. Only then the count will be 4. Now these set of numbers satisfied the condition and the count as well. Next. Here 1, I increase this to 2. So 1 plus 2, 3, so here it has to be 1. Only then the count will be 4, each satisfied the condition. Next. I fix 1 here, I increase this to 3. 1 plus 3, 4, so here it has to be 0. Satisfied the condition and the count as well. Many miss this option since they came across 0. But no condition on this, so 0 can be placed here. Okay, next option. If I place here 1 and I increase this to 4, 1 plus 4 is 5, which is beyond my count. So reject this option. So reject, I understood, is with 1 I get only these options. Now I increase this 1 to 2, and here I take 1. 2 plus 1, 3, so here it has to be 1. Only then the count will be 4 and each satisfied the condition. Next. 2. I increase this to 2. Here it has to be 0. Only then the count will be 4 and each satisfying the condition. Clear? Next. If I take here 2, here it has to be 3. 2 plus 3, 5 is beyond my count. So I realized is with 2 I get only these options. Now if I increase this to 3, here it has to be 1. So 3 plus 1, 4, that means here it has to be 0. So this is satisfying the condition and also the count. If I take here 4 and here 1, 5, that's beyond my count. So what I generalize is I get only these options satisfying the condition and the count as well. Clear? I have not missed any option since I followed in a proper increasing order. Clear? Now next step. Write for each row. See here. Oh, one more mistake. అది చేస్తా. ఈ 3 పెట్టా నేను ఆడదాకా తీసుకొచ్చేసి ఇది కట్ చేసి ఇది యాడ్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, ఇది కట్ చేసి ఇది యాడ్ చేద్దాం. అప్పుడు సుకోన్గా బాగుంటుంది. అది బాగుంటుంది. See man, I cannot increase this number to 3 because I have only 2 necklace. So I cannot place 3. I cannot select when there are only 2 necklaces available. I cannot select 3. So reject this 3. So from that conclusion is I get only these options satisfying the condition and the count. Clear? Okay. Now let us write for each row. Here from 2 you need to select 1. That can be done in 2C1 ways. From 8 you need to select 2. That can be done in 8C2 ways. From 4 you need to select 1. That can be done in 4C1 ways. Okay. It is and between them. It's and between them. Whenever it is and, you need to put into. Clear? Same way you write for these 4 rows. See, I write directly here. It will be 2C1, 8C1, 4C2. For this row it will be 2C1, 8C0, 4C3. For this row it will be 2C2 into 8C1 into 4C1. For this row it will be 2C2 into 8C0 into 2C2. Okay. Clear? Next. These set of numbers satisfied the condition and the count. Correct? Or these set of numbers satisfied the condition and the count, or these set of numbers or this satisfied the condition and the count. Whenever it is or, you will put plus sign. So add all this. That will be your final answer, and that you should get is 366. Okay.